everybody, so bear with me because I know this looks rough. I actually did wake up like this. So last night I did have a shower. I added in some oil, a little bit of mousse, and then just braided it. So here I'm just going to undo it, pick through it a little bit. It's just giving us a really good base for what we're going to be doing today. All right, let's do this. So we're just starting out here. I'm adding in oil. I'm always doing that. It's just my favorite. It helps with frizz, protects your hair, adds in shine, seals the ends. So doing that, and I'm also adding in a little bit heat protectant. That's always important to do, especially when you're putting heat on your hair. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm using a 3-barrel curling iron. It's kind of like a bigger scale of like a crimper, it just has 3. And if you have any sort of natural curl that has just like a little frizz, or you're like, man, I wish that was a little bit more curly, then you need to get one of these. I have on my website, I have at the top a link button, and it goes to some of my Amazon favorites. So if you go there, you can find the exact one that I'm using. It's pretty cheap and it's awesome. It heats up really nice, so you can go through really quick and just get it done. So once you get to the top, you kind of take it in a different angle. If you take your parting and take it and go straight back, it'll actually help that first crimp lay better. It's hard to explain, but it'll just make your part and everything look more natural. So give it a try if you're having issues with how your crimp is laying. So one last thing about using the iron, if you angle your wrist back and kind of turn it back as well, it will prevent that edge from looking really sharp and just soften it a little bit. Alright, and so lastly we're just going to go through with our finishing touches, adding in some hairspray. I'm also going to get a little bit of mousse to kind of piece out the ends and just help our curl hold and look piecey and cute. Hopefully this will just give you an idea, a new way to do your hair. I always like to try new things, so I hope you enjoyed it and learned something. This crimper seriously is awesome. I use it all the time. Give your hubby a good idea on what to get you for Christmas. Anyway, you guys, I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving with your family. Thanks for watching. See ya.